Right, we today, back on the menu, we're going to do an oil flush today. We're going to use something called LiquiMoly. LiquiMoly. I've never used it before, so is it any good? Apparently what you have to do is, run your car up to temperature. Once you've got up to temperature, wang that in where your oil goes, let it run for another 10 or 15 minutes, then proceed with your oil change. So what we'll do, we'll get the car started up, we'll pour this in, and then we'll go from there. Right, it's 25 to 12 now that this gets warmed up. Just want to show you a few things I've got here. So I've got the LiquiMoly 5W30. It's fully synthetic oil. We've got a new sump plug. We've got my used oil catcher and a socket set. So let's have a look. Removes all sorts of crap, gunk, all the rest of it. Remember, it's a poison. I'm trying to find the application things here. Then allow the engine to idle 10-15 minutes after it's warmed up. Like I say every week, all good jobs start with a brew. So while the car's warming up, we'll get this down our necks. Roll intro, even though I haven't got one. Right, engine's warmed up now, we've shut it down. I'll just remove that. Now it's going to be hot, so just carefully yourself. Let's just do the ring pull. That's that off. Right, let's get that in there. Don't like the idea of putting something cold into something hot. But right, now we're going to run it again for another 10 minutes. Right. That will its fizz for a quarter of an hour. The time now is 11:55, and what we'll do is we'll get the car up on the ramp and get it drained. Well, I found my Allen key for this, so we're going to get that on there. See if I can just do it by... Oh yeah, I have. Oh hey. Ugh. I really don't want to get my hands dirty. Ah, bollocks! Ugh. Right, so there's the old plug, and here's the new one with a new compression copper ring for it. Don't reuse your old one, or else you're going to fail. So anyway, I'm going to let that keep draining out, and what I'm going to do now is get the oil filter out. Wow. Oh, Christ, that's warm. Here it comes. Ugh. filter in its housing, so I'm assuming it only goes one way. I don't want to touch it. Oh, bollocks, I'm gonna have to. There we go. Preserve the rubber ring as well. Not lost that. So I know when you put this back on, you've got to put a smear of oil around it, so we'll do that. Right, let me just find the new filter. I can't believe how dinky this filter is. So, I can't believe I just got oil on this Guinness top. It's new as well. Well, newish. Right in there. Goes in first, that's it. Right, let's get a bit of oil. Got my oil down here. Litres of the stuff. Right, put it around the washer because it lubricates the washer then, and it stops it crimping back up. There we go. Right, there's a bit of residue in there. Let's get rid of that. I think you should only have to hand tighten these. So it's my belief. So we'll give it a little. Right, that's that. Right, let's get that on the floor for now. Oh, I don't want to cake myself in that, do I? We're still draining oil. Yeah, it's still coming out. Right, so we'll check back in a bit and we'll get the new seal in. Right, that's most of the oil out now. Oh, a new sump plug. Right, let's pull this out. Right, now it's time to add our oil. Right, 5 litres of the baby. Right, where's my filler cap? Here we go. Tip that way, put that on there. Just measured up for another kitchen rental property. Still haven't paid Chris all the money yet. Right, there you go then. So that's oil in there, filters in there. Oh, what a wally! But anyway, never mind. It looked alright. I'm not going to say what I just noticed. But anyway, yeah, so that's the oil in, that's the filter on. And we'll start it up and check it for leaks. With a bit of luck at the back wind. All the sump buggies are leaking, so that's alright. Yeah! Oh, I just want to check the oil filter looks alright. It's not coming out of there. Yeah, that's alright. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Cool. Right, do I do the spark plugs now? Let me have a think.